Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to make a manual credit card sale with ResalePay. I will be using the Clover Flex for this video. To be able to make a manual transaction, the number one step is to navigate to point of sale, more, setup, then credit card processor. Below the merchant ID, username, password, and terminal HSN will be a checkbox that says, Allow card not present transactions. Make sure that is checked before proceeding. Once that is done, press OK. Then press Finished. Make sure you are in the POS. Click on New Sale. Then input the account number - item number or scan the barcode in with a scanner. Add any more items that is needed for the transaction and click on Credit Card. It will start the transaction on the credit card processor. Make sure to press the X to start a manual transaction. It will then lead to another screen asking you to confirm the amount. Press Confirm if it is correct, and it will ask for the card information afterwards. Enter in the card number and press Next. Then it will ask for the expiration date of the card. Go ahead and type the expiration date in. Press Next. After that, it will ask for the CVV. Type that in and press Next again. It will show that it was approved on the credit card processor. On the Liberty side of this transaction, if you have the settings enabled, it will ask for a rewards number and if you want to print a receipt or not. You will then see $0.00 if it's successfully finished. That is how you make a manual credit card sale with ResalePay. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos for more informational content.